Hello, welcome back to Ayaanseasymath. Today we are looking at one max Olympiad problem. The question is given: solve xy belongs to R. X plus 2018 over 7 equal to 1000. 9 over x plus y is equal to 1. We have to find the values of x and y. So here some logic is there in this problem, that's why it is selected. So as you are going to solve this problem, pause the video for 10 seconds and try it. Okay, and also if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and give it a thumbs up. It will appreciate us to make more videos. More than 500 Olympiad and logical problems are uploaded in this channel. Please go through them. Thank you. Let us solve this problem together. So here first of all, given x plus 2018 over y is equal to 1000. Let us take it as 1. 9 over x plus y is equal to 1. Let us take it as 2. First of all, multiply the first equation with y. So here I want to remove the denominator. Here y is in the denominator. I want to remove this y. So multiplying with y, you will get xy plus 2018 is equal to 1000 y. So the first equation will change like this if you multiply with y. So from this you can write 1000 y minus xy is equal to 2018. Sending xy to that side. So here you can take y common. 1000 minus x is equal to 2018. Y is equal to 2018 by over 1000 minus x. Okay, now if you take the second equation, here y is equal to 1 minus 9 over x. So here both are having LHS y. So make RHS equal. From this you'll get 2018 by over 1000 minus x equal to 1 minus 9 over x. Now here how to solve this? Okay, ma. So here simple method you are doing. Now multiply by 1000 x into 1000 minus x on both sides. So here the denominator is 1000 minus x. I want to remove the denominator. So x into 1000 minus x. Here x is there. That also I have to remove. So here what will get x into 1000 minus x into 2018 by 1000 minus x is equal to x into 1000 minus x into 1 minus 9 over x. So multiplying with x into 1000 minus x on both sides. So this value will get cancelled. So here you'll get 2018 x is equal to x into 1000 minus x minus 9 into 1000 minus x. Here the denominator will get cancelled, x and x. You will get this one. Now if you solve this, 2018 x is equal to 1000 x minus x square minus 9000 minus into minus plus 9x. So here sending all the terms to one side, x square plus here 1009 so 1009x if you send all the terms to that side plus 9000 equal to 0. So here if you find the factors here you will get x value. So here just I am doing one step, x square plus 1000x plus 9x plus 9000 equal to 0. X into x plus 1000 plus 9 into x plus 1000 equal to 0. X plus 9 into x plus 1000 equal to 0. X equal to minus 9 or minus 1000 now. X equal to minus 9 or 1000, then y value will be 2018 by 1000 plus 9, that is 2018 by 1009 you will get 2. Second value of y will get y is equal to 2018 by 1000 plus 1000, 2018 by 2000, 1009 by 1000 now. So here x comma y value x comma y is equal to minus 9 comma 2 and minus 1000 comma 1009 by 1000 now. I hope you understood the video. Thank you for watching Ayaanseasymath Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. Once again, thank you for watching Ayaanseasymath Olympiad.